Cool mom.
2, 3, 4, 5. I got 1 or 2? 2. Okay.
Yeah, we're in cars with it in. They're having the camera. Daddy, your abuela and your abuela y tía. Hey, Coco. Wow. It's a waterfall.
Yeah, just follow Mater into town to get her. Mater!
Coming, Sheriff! Howdy! Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun! Hey, you ever gone tractor tipping? Just sneak up on her. Ready? Don't let Frank catch you. Huh?
We have a visitor.
Craziness on this planet.
Race day.
In Radiator Springs.
Champion needs speed.
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
Wow, we're gonna get tired.
For you, my friend, only the best. Big up. Oh, yes. Now you look like a real race car. Going up to the starting line.
It takes more than new tires to win a race.
Ready for the race?
Okay, we're ready for the race. Let's go fast.
Let's go fast. Let's go fast.
Yes, yes. Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life.
Ready?
Do it for the money. Do it for the Come on.
If they want to come from behind to win.